Today I'll be demonstrating a makeup look inspired by Regina George in Mean Girls on Broadway.
For this Regina George inspired look, I'll be using Anastasia's palette, Volume 2. To begin, I used D1 from the crease of my lid all the way down to my lash line. One of the things that I love most about this palette is how shimmery but also pigmented the shadows are. I use my finger to blend the shadow. Next, I wet my brush, which helps the shadows stick to the lid without falling. I chose the super bright pink D3, and I applied it from the center of my lid to the edge of my eye. To add a little bit more shimmer to the look, I went back in with A1. I used a thinner brush to line the bottom of my lash line with the same two pinks that I used on my lid. Because Regina has a flair for the dramatic, I added a winged black liner to my top lash line. It can get a little messy when you're using such pigmented shadows, so I always keep cotton balls at the ready for a quick cleanup. To finish my eyes, I added mascara to the top and bottom lashes. One of my other favorite makeup brands is Charlotte Tilbury. I wanted to keep the lips simple, so I used a matte pink of hers in Rising Star. And that is the completed look, inspired by the Queen of Pink herself, Regina George. Be sure to subscribe for more Broadway beauty content. Comment below and let us know what other Broadway-inspired looks you'd like to see.